Good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 6 from verse 41 to verse 59. Jesus are the bread we give people life. The Jew people them now start grumble to him say, me are the food we come from out of heaven. Them say to them one another say, I know Jesus, Joseph boy pick me this year. I know fi mother and father we know. So how him a talk about say, me come down from out of heaven? When the top grumble amongst one another, Jesus answered them, somebody can only come to me if the Father draw them come. And me make them come back alive upon the last day. One of the prophet them writing a God word say, God I go teach all of them. Everybody will listen to the Father and take in when him say, come to me. And I say nobody ever see the Father yet. No. The only somebody we ever see him are the one where God send come. And only him one ever see the Father. Me I tell you if it's true. Anybody we trust in me going live forever. Me are the food we cause people to live. When the father near manna in the desert and they still dead. But see the food that we come from out of heaven, anybody when near me now go dead. Me are the food we give life and we come down from out of heaven. If nobody nyam this food here, them are going to live forever. Me own a body are the food when me go and give so the people them in the world can live. Then the Jew them start cuss and galang amongst them one another. Say how him say, hear them. A older man ya can I give him body for nyam. So Jesus said to them say, me I tell you no, for true. If uno no nyam the man where God pick body, and if uno no drink him blood, uno not go live forever. Anybody when nyam fi me body and we drink fi me blood, I go live forever. And me I go make them come back alive upon the last day. Cause fi me body are the real food and fi me blood are the real drinks. Anybody when nyam me body and we drink me blood, close to me and me close to them. Just like how the Father will give life, send me and make me live, as same so, me I go make this body when near me live. And this are the food we come down from out of heaven. It not come in like the food when no father them did nyam and still dead. This somebody when nyam that food ya, I go live forever. No. Jesus said and sitting here when him did a teach at the Jew them meeting house in a Capernaum. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.